Hello, Kate here. This is the fourth part of a series I'm doing surrounding how to rebuild your deck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a bench around an above ground pool. So if you have an existing deck built around your above ground pool and you want to build a bench, let's say for a ladder or just a bench in general for sitting, then this video is for you. I built a little bit of a frame here for a bench, and it's also going to be the entrance to the pool. The ladder is going to sit right out here. So I started off making these little bases here. They're L shapes, put them all over the place here, and then I added wood. This is all scrap wood to the top so that I have support for my deck boards. I'm going to start to cover the frame of the bench with some pressure treated wood. I'm using fence boards on the front because it's not going to get a lot of water. On the top piece I'll be using the deck board because it needs to be more durable. Because as I mentioned earlier, I also have to use this as the place where the ladder will be sitting. So I've cut smaller pieces. I'll be doing the sides first and then overlapping slightly on the front. I hate getting in here. Spiders. Ah. Woo. Gross. You can see now I've added on the outside pieces to the frame. I think it looks pretty good. Yep. So I'm going to add some deck boards to the top now. So I laid the first two long pieces, and this part's a little complicated because again I'm going around a circular pool. So what I had to do was to cut some pretty extreme angles in order to finish the top of this. So I'm just going to screw these deck boards in like this. So this last piece that I have to cut here, I have a little bit of a problem here, but it's easily fixable. So I need to put a piece of support underneath here. So once these are all screwed in, I'm going to put a little piece of wood under here just so that I have something to attach this small deck board to, because there's nothing on this end. So this, if I screw it in right now, is just going to wobble a little bit here. So I'm going to put a scrap piece of wood under here. Hold it right there. It's the same kind of idea when you're doing drywall. You have to have that support. So you can see the last piece went in nicely, and to finish it off I used a circular saw and cut a straight line from this edge to the other edge. And then the diagonal boards went in well, and you can see over here I cut in 2 slots for the ladder, the pool ladder, which works really well actually. And then you've got another little section here if you want to sit and dry off. Overall, I'm really happy with the final product. I love this bench. It was so great this summer to have a secure spot for my ladder to sit. didn't wobble when people got out of the pool, and let's be honest, it looks a heck of a lot better than the side of an above ground pool. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, and you'd like to receive notifications when I post a new video, then you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down there. It's SUBSCRIBE. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.